easy recipe are veggies and dip, which is really nice, especially if you're in a hurry, and it's very healthy for you. So you can use any kinds of vegetables, really. You can, like carrots, celery, radishes. You could also use broccoli, really any kind of vegetables. And you just take them, and you take a knife, and being very careful to keep the knife away from your fingers, you can just chop them up. On the plate like that. And then for dip, you can do a lot of different things. You can make a dip out of mixing things together with sour cream. Cottage cheese can make a really good dip to go with vegetables. And also hummus. Hummus you can buy at the store, or you can make it yourself. What you do is you basically take chickpeas or garbanzo beans, and you mash them up, and you add a little bit of olive oil, or lemon juice, and you can put them in a blender, and there are a few other ingredients you can add if you want to, and essentially you just blend them together and you end up with hummus, which is really good. And another thing you can do for dip is to take refried beans and you just microwave them for a couple minutes, and then it makes a great dip. So, got your vegetables, you've got your dip, and there you go.